We all want to save some money when we're shopping, either online or in stores, and for more than 20 years, Ebates was one of the best ways to do it. Some may think that Ebates has gone away for good, but you'd be wrong. The company was named Rakuten Rewards in 2019 after being purchased by the online shopping giant nearly 5 years ago. So, is Rakuten Rewards just as good as Ebates was, or is it time to find a new deal service? Let's find out. Let's start with the good news. Despite the name change, Rakuten offers the exact same cashback services as Ebates once did. In their blog post announcing the change, Rakuten makes it clear that your Ebates account is still used in Rakuten, and that the site itself wouldn't see any changes. So far, that's held true. So what is Rakuten? The site has a few features you might be interested in, but primarily, Rakuten offers cashback and rewards for shopping at more than 2,500 retailers. They're perhaps best known for their $10 Signup Bonus, which gets you a free $10 reward for stores like Walmart or Rakuten itself. There are several ways to save money with Rakuten, but primarily, you'll earn cashback paid out through PayPal once every quarter. By shopping at Rakuten's double cashback stores, you can earn twice as much money just by being picky with your retailer. These aren't no-name brands either. Nike, Zales, Macy's, and Groupon all offer up to 8% cashback, and some offer even more. For example, for their Valentine's Day deals, ProFlowers was offering up to 30% cashback on your purchase, just for shopping through Rakuten. It's not the only way to save money through the site, though. There's a standard deals page that allows you to search through coupon codes and promos to find the best deals online or in stores. And speaking of in-stores, Rakuten also offers in-store cashback by linking offers from the mobile app to your credit card. Though most shoppers use Rakuten to earn cashback and rewards, the company doesn't stop there. You can find rewards on travel and vacations, earning you cash for staying at hotels and booking specific airlines. And Rakuten also offers extensions for Chrome and Firefox, alerting you to deals around the web while you shop normally. If you're looking for an online rewards program, it's hard to beat Rakuten. Ebates was the site to beat for years, and backed by Rakuten, it comes from an even more trusted name in shopping. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to check out these other videos you might like, and subscribe to Tech Junkie for all sorts of tech news, reviews, and top picks every week.